In front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Start by launching your keyboard and tapping on Clipboard at the top of it. Now to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner. And when you're ready, go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Following that, let's use Clipboard by copying or cutting any text. Now, if you wanna paste it instantly, tap on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on though, you need to click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. If you want to paste it after an hour though, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. Quick tip: to delete anything from Clipboard, you can swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and click on the delete button. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!